The book of Obadiah, chapter 1. The vision of Obadiah. Thus says the Lord, God against Edom. We have heard a voice from the Lord, and an ambuscade has been sent among the hidden. Arise and rise up against her to fight. Behold, I have made you small among the hidden. You are greatly despised. The pride of your heart has deceived you. You would dwell in the cleft of the rocks, whose dwelling place is the sea. Who say in your heart, who will bring me down to the ground? Though you exalt yourself like the eagle and make your nest among the stars, from there I will bring you down, says the Lord. Did thieves come to you by night? How did they silence you? Would they not have stolen until they had had enough? If the harvesters came to you, would they not have left grapes? How do you seek the things of Esau and seek his treasuries? All the men of the confederates have forsaken thee to thy borders. The men who were at peace with thee have deceived thee, and have prejudiced against thee. They that eat thy bread have wounded thee. There is no understanding in him. Shall I not destroy in that day, saith the Lord, the wise men from Edom, and understanding from the mount of Esau, and your strong men, O Tema, shall be put to flight, for all those from the mouth of Esau shall be slaughtered. For your cruelty against your brother Jacob, shame shall come upon you, and you shall be removed forever. When you stood on the other side in the day when foreigners were carrying away its goods, and foreigners were entering its gate and casting lots on Jerusalem. You were like one of them, but you were not to look upon the day of your brother, in the day that he had become a stranger, nor were you to see the sons of Judah again, in the day of their destruction. You were not to speak with pride in the day of affliction. You were not to enter the gate of my people in the day of their destruction. You were not to look upon their suffering in the day of their destruction, and you were not to lay your hands on their substance in the day of their destruction. Neither should you stop in the byways to cut off the way for those who flee, nor should you shut up their remnants in the day of their affliction. For the day of the Lord is at hand upon all the hidden. As you have done, it shall be done to you. Your reward shall return upon your head. For as you have drunk of my holy mountain, so shall all the hidden drink continually. Yea, they shall drink and swallow, and be as though they had not been. But on the Mount Zion there shall be delight, and it shall be holy. And the house of Jacob shall possess its goods, and the house of Jacob shall be a fire, and the house of Joseph a flame, and the house of Esau a stubble. And they shall kindle and be consumed, and there shall be no remnant of the house of Esau, for the Lord has spoken it. They shall possess the southern slope of the mountain of Esau, and the plain of the Philistines. They shall possess the fields of Ephraim, and the fields of Samaria, and Benjamin shall have Gilead. The captives of the army of the children of Israel who were among the Canaanites shall possess as far as Zarephath, and the captives of Jerusalem, which is Sepharad, shall possess the cities of the south. Those who shall come to Mount Zion to judge the mount of Esau, and the kingdom shall be of the Lord.